Hi, welcome back to FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin, as you all know. I do believe I want to say sorry for you guys for last Friday. My system on my iPad went down and I can't upload a video. And also, remember for Ford Green and Grey 57 car review, like I said, I was going to review myself to you guys what is my channel all about, and that I'm looking forward to it actually. So yeah, so today's video is not going to be a model kit review. It's going to be this. You probably know what this is. It's a growing kit. It says on the packet. I bought this in Poundland. I live in the UK and Winchester, Hampshire. So I went to Isle of Wight for a whole weekend last weekend and see my best friend, and do believe he wants to start up his YouTube up as a garden, because his house is absolutely wonderful, his partner is absolutely wonderful, and his garden absolutely wonderful. Loads of different types of flowers in his garden. He's got vegetable garden and lovely 2 dogs as well. I think they spaniels, working spaniels. And do believe I'm doing this video for him and for you guys, how to do a plant kit really. I have done plant kits before, and they're quite easy. So this is for my friend, my best friend. I can't say his name because it's confidential. So yeah, so hopefully this video is an example for you guys to start your own garden and learn about a bit of plants. This is just a one-off. I may do another review of plant growing kits. I know it's not a model kit, but anyway, further ado, let's get this up and running, and I shall see you in the next clip. So I'm back again. So it's easy packaging. You've got staples here. You just pull it off or just cut it. So just do that like that. And we got enough. I don't know what this plant is. Pink sweet PEA. I don't know enough about flowers. I know a daffodil, sunflowers, and that's. So what's in the bag? You got little salt disc, seeds package, and this stuff. I think it's granite, but so yeah. So instructions is quite easy to read. You want to pause it and read down, please do. And let's get this up and running, shall we? And don't forget, subscribe to my channel FBTV Entertainment for more future releases, and press that like button, and please write your comment down below. It will help me out to make my videos better and more enjoyable. So I'm reading instructions. We've got content, 1 coil disc, that's that, and pack of seeds and this stuff. Open for bag of colored guayant. It's this one. And empty into container into a pot. Add a coil disc on top and gradually gently water for coil disc and wait for coil to expand several minutes. So it's quite easy actually, I think, because I haven't done this for a long time. So let's do it, shall we? So I've got the pot, got the bag open, I'm going to pour it in now. Well, that's a half of bag gone. Then the next thing is this. Then water it, then come back in several minutes. And I'm going to put some water in it now. Nice and gently. And hopefully it expands. Be back in a minute. So I've been waiting for several minutes, and you can see, look, that's the disc expanding. Oh, cut off, but yeah, unusual this. Perhaps I should put more water in. Plus, this is my first time done a plant on the channel. But this is for my friend, to give him roughly idea how to do his YouTube and help other people around the world how to do gardening. So several minutes has gone now, and I just picked half of it and just done that with my hands and done it. Then I patted it down. So I have to find a little pen or a little poker to poke the seeds in, and then I'm going to put this little frame. And I spoke to my friend yesterday on Messenger on Facebook. It's a bit too late. I think it's January to June. It says there on the writing where my thumb is there. So, but he said I should be alright, but we have to see. And I will give you an update on this plant as well. This plant and that. So let's get the seeds out and put them where I want them. Put seeds in. You get about 5 in this little silver packet, and I use a bit of a thin way to this closed peg to drill a hole into the dirt, and I got one there, one in the middle, one here, one there, and one here. So I'm going to put a little bit of water. That's what it says in instructions. A little bit of water, not too much because you don't want to drown them. You don't want to make it into a bog. And that's, so there it is. So I'm going to wait for a couple of days and see if we've got any sprouts going. And don't forget a frame to hook on there as well. Don't forget that. So I'm going to let it grow now. I'm going to put it on my windowsill and see any progress. So I hope you enjoyed this random video. This video probably helps other people out there if you've got a new house and want your garden to look pretty, and this is ideal for a starter for you, really. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, or press a like, or write a comments down below to help me out to make great content and great videos in the future. So that's bye bye from me, Dave Pippin, and bye bye from FB TV Entertainment. See you soon.